How to get $120 Uber Eats coupon code. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Here you're gonna find the search box, type in Uber Eats coupon code and then search for it. Different website links will appear. Navigate to this one website option, couponfollow.com. This is the legit website where you're gonna find amazing offers and deals for Uber Eats. Once you're on the website, just scroll down and check out the offers. $25 off, 20% off, $50 off, and many more. Head towards the offer that you want to grab, go ahead and click on it. With that, you're going to get the code for it, copy it, then click on redeem at Uber Eats. Make sure to check the expiration date of the code, whether it is valid or not. Once you're on the website, you can go ahead and log into your account, browse through the menu and select the items that you want to order and pass it to checkout. While you are in the checkout page, you're going to find the section of codes. Over there, type in your code and confirm your order. With that, you're going to get the discount. Likewise, you can also give a try to other offers, as in this website, you're going to find tons of offers and deals for Uber Eats. Lastly, what you can do is head back. Once you're on this website page, you can also give a try to this one website, Simply Codes, as this is also the legit website where you're going to find tons of offers and deals for Uber Eats. So this way you can easily get up to $120 working coupon code for Uber Eats. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.